Alright, boys, so today is Tuesday the 3rd of March, second day, that doesn't matter. So, yesterday we came up to these relatively equal highs, around 50% of this entire range, and we shot down. I kind of knew this was going to happen because, well, obviously the Iranian war, and just, I don't know, I could just tell that when we come up to this point, it's gone. This is like this area here, if you're looking at volume profile, is the point of control, right? You can see that most of the orders that were happening, the week before, were happening at this range here. You can see it just all through. You can just see a shit ton of orders were in here, right? That's why you get this choppy price action. We came up, manipulated these relatively equal highs, and just shot down immediately. And now we're coming back up a little bit. I think we took out this low, we took out the sell side, and well, what is the previous daily low? So we have a bunch of draws to the upside basically, and a bunch of draws lower. So let me just mark on the Asian, London, and then our New York session. So here we have the London high there, we have the Asia high right here, and then the Asia low. We also have draws lower. We have one draw lower, which is this low here, which is like a monthly low. Daily chart. Yeah, I mean, we have this daily low, this daily low, this daily low. And it obviously, right now, looks like we're drawing into these lows. There's relatively equal highs at the all-time high. But I think, honestly, we're coming to retrace this. If you understand the market, then you know that there will be space to drop all the way down to even here. I think it's very possible that what we're looking at is finally a retracement to 50% of this entire range. Like you see, we had this spike up, and then I don't know. I really think that as well with the political events that are happening, the wars that are going on at the moment, and all of this stuff like that. The wars, the economies are failing. We're really in a range where we could just come straight all the way down into that. 50% of this entire weekly / monthly. This range here is what I'm telling you. We're gonna retrace. We have this entirely monthly shit that we can look at. Anyways, enough of that bullshit. We have market open in 2 minutes. Let me just mark up the US as well. Oh wait, hold on a minute. Okay, the US has already taken out this low, has it? No, not quite. Not quite. Okay. Well, you guys will see when market opens. I am going to take a crud. Be right back. Alright, so we are honestly a point where I could see price, like reverse and go up for a bit. Like it really isn't a point where, because we have this hourly sweep of these lows. If we swept these lows out, so I could genuinely see price come up a little bit just to retrace that. And preferably price decides to continue downwards, but obviously we will probably get some kind of retrace after we come into this out, right? This was the sell side. This was high of day to low of day move. Really obvious, to be honest. I wish I would have traded this, but not in my time. No news today, but yeah, no news today. Oh, tomorrow we have ADP and ISM services PMI. But for now, yeah, I do think we're gonna come and take out this high. We could obviously, drop off of these relative equal lows. Highs, sorry, this highs, we could also move off of that. I think we're just manipulating. To me, it feels like a really obvious manipulation. Well, obviously bearish right now. High, low, high, lower, high, lower, low. I just think we will come down here at some point, but I feel like we need to take this high out before we achieve this. Like basically what I'd be looking for is a retrace into, is there a 4-hour gap? No, there is an hourly one though. There's an hourly one that's holding price at the moment. Like I would prefer to see this hourly get hit, as it's literally right where liquidity is, but right now we're just turning. Alright, this would be a valid short if you just took this literally 1 minute, because we sweep, we come to the 50% of some range, stops there, targeting this low. Not my setup though, but I know someone's taken that inversion. Full confidence, full conviction, full awareness that the market at the moment. Obviously this would be a valid trade to take. I mean, you could take this way lower if the volatility is clearly towards this draw, fair enough. Actually, stops would be above this candle here. There's that retest of this 1 minute inversion. If you want to enter off this retrace, you have a gap about to form in a second. Fucking emails, bro. And if you took this 1 minute, you got cooked. Okay, just volatility in the candle. Let's wait. 5 minute could also be this 5 minute low circle could be a target as well. Every day is spilling up. Bro, where am I? Why isn't this happening during my session? This is like the most goated setup ever. That rejection. It moves into the low, comes up, taps the 5 minute. Definitely inverses some kind of gap on this leg. I would have been in. I would have been in on that with my stops about this high. And I could just look at the fucking. Oh my god, why can't that happen during my session? Why does this have to happen during my session? God. Every day spilling up dry. Where's EQ? Yeah, just about where that 1 hour is. Coolio. Oh, fuck, man. There will be a 4 hour about to pop up, which we can look at in 20 minutes when this 4 hour closes. There will be a 4 hour fair value gap where that 1 hour is. I might as well just quickly mark on where the 4 hour is. No. Ave Maria. Oh my, say. I mean, we actually might just chop here. Like, we might want to consolidate here. I just realised. I keep closing my head off to the possibility we might just decide to consolidate here. I mean, it's fair enough we swept this low. Like, usually when it comes to significant areas of liquidity, right, there's some kind of reaction where it could send price into consolidation or a reversal or a continuation. But I just think right now it looks like ass. Like, what? The sequence of these two candles is pissing me off. Like, brother, what is this wick? Why? Why? What does this look like? What is this wick? Like, I get it's the market open and that shit just happens, but fuck off. Don't piss me off. Like, what am I looking at? That is an ode to consolidate. Like, what the fuck? We have a bearish SMT and it's holding. Ooh. Bro, I wish I could save shit. Like, have an SMT line, a fucking sell side line. Because you should see my trading view, bro. Alright, we just have like an SMT here now. The shorts that you would play should be now. Alright, that's even more of a valid sell. I mean, look at this 3-candle V shape as well. This is the setup of a lifetime for some people. I can tell right now that's an A+ setup for some people. Because yeah, the SMT, the sweep, and then the 3-candle version. Like, holy shit. This is rare. 1, 2, 3. When you get something like this, bro, doesn't happen usually. All I'm saying. Awesome, yo. Oh wow, it'd literally be the top wick of that move. That is a really nice. That's a nice 1 minute, like V shape. The US is clearly ahead, like, so the trade would be on the. See, now we're taking out this low. We might get a bit of a reaction on the NAS. We should just keep moving down. I think the fucking manipulation's finally over. That should have maybe been my setup, but it didn't. Just I thought we would come and tap this gap. I would have been. It would have been A+ for me if we came and tapped the 1 hour like that. If we tapped the 1 hour and left a wick like that, I would have been more confident taking it. Like, I get we're in a 1 hour, and actually this is an internal high which we just sweep out. That's actually a really good setup. So the US is flat, like, it's already coming down to the spots where it needs to. The US might be the clean index today. I don't know if we'll get an entry, boys. I'll be honest. The way it's looking, the US has already taken out all the targets that you need to be taken, that we need to take out today, and the Nasdaq is lagging behind significantly at this point. Right, the US has already come and take this low out. Nasdaq really needs to speed the fuck up. It's holding, which just really tells me the fucking consolidation is gonna come in a second. Like, when is price action gonna be clear again, bro? We had such a few, like, I had such a good December and January for that fact. February's just been ass. March, haven't taken a trade this March. Man, this is the chop that I was trying to. This is the chop I was talking about, basically. That show is playing out now. I don't know, bro. I don't know if we'll get a trade today. To me, it looks like we won't. Just because these two are severely fucking correlated. I wonder what IMC looks like right now. Oh. Oh, this is real chop. This is the real trap chop shit. I think we might just drop in a second, like when we get this new what's it called? This new candle. I looking at, bro? This is the 15-minute. The 15-minute. It looks like we're just all holding this hourly at the moment. This hourly gap is just getting held. There's an SMT in the middle of it. I would like to take the short, to be honest, but I don't really get what I wanted. Took out the high that tapped it first. Now we're just rejecting and going lower. It's kind of a difficult one. This would have been the nicest setup out of all of it. I mean, this short probably will play out. This is an obvious flip to the bearish side. Just we're leaving wicks going down, like we're trying to go down, but we're just leaving a lot of wicks. And it's the same thing, we were trying to go up, but we were leaving a lot of wicks. I think no continuation for me today. I don't see it. It probably won't come to me today. This is like a micro time frame bullshit play, bro. What's the US doing? Right, we're coming to take that low out finally. Oh, never mind. We're going up. Please just go and take down that low. Make something normal happen today. Every day spilling up drink. She want the whole crew, shouty babe. What am I to talk? What is this? Yeah. What goes up, gotta come down. Okay, we are making moves towards this low. Soon, I'm hoping Nasdaq just goes and take this low down. I'll be break even once this gets taken out. That's break even. Okay, we take both of these lows out. I really don't think they'll do much to the market though. We still have room to go lower. The new 4 hours gonna form in a second. We'll get that 4-hour gap. Is that open? 4 hour open. Jesus Christ. Offer these lows, right? That makes a lot of sense, actually. And that's the break. That's that trade gonna break even. We might want to aggressively push into this 4 hour now. Look, that would make perfect sense to draw into that 4 hour. Getting SMTs fulfilled when this low gets taken out. So we get this SMT here. But furthermore, we get SMT with this low. All the way down here. We get our 1 minute inversion. No, 5 minute. I'm not taking it. No 3. No 2. Yeah, I don't want to take it. Yeah, no 3 minute or 2 minute inversion. Or 5. I don't really want to take a 1 minute inversion. Might have just been an open high. It might drop. It might drop. I don't know what the fuck I'm looking at right now on the 5 minute. Barcode. The US just dropped, obviously, but where's my entry? Is there a 15 minute? No. No, there is not. That is not a 15 minute. Bro, I just want to hit the sell button and just watch this go down, but like I can't. It's not my rules. There's no fucking entry for me right now. Oh, there was an entry. What am I talking about? It was this. That would have been, should have been my entry. But I faded it off of just some kind of bullshit. Price action is not nice today, boys. I'm sitting here waiting for shit to happen that makes this whole thing easier, but we might not even get that. No news on the day. There's still no entry, like on either fucking indice. I genuinely have nothing to do here. Okay, look, if you're looking at this price action and actually trading this, honestly, what the fuck? I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what convinced you to even enter a trade at that point. Maybe this 5 minute inversion stops above here. I don't know. I really don't know what you're thinking if you're trading this. This is genuine shit. Nothing clear. Oh. Bro, what the fuck? I honestly, I'm done for the day. Be a back.